Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
What would you say the clauses are I need to be aware of when renewing an insurance contract?
Okay. Again, so when you're renewing a contract, the terms are, I'm going to say, ordinarily they're set in place at the start of the policy. However, there are companies that will rewrite the terms, and so you do need to be wary of those changes. Look, we're told that we're supposed to read all legal documents.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Of course.
And how many of us actually do that? And your reaction is perfect. It's as much as there's insurers and advisors are meant to simplify language so that anyone can understand it. However, even then, people are not going to read them. So having a good advisor will allow you to have a robust conversation to say, okay, what am I covered for? Give you some scenarios to actually make all these words make sense to me. The terms of a policy, they're pretty much in place. Changes should be highlighted by the insurance company, and those changes should again be highlighted by the advisor at renewal time to help you walk through any of those major changes. And again, you need to feel comfortable that you're aware of what those changes are. And if you're not comfortable, you speak to your advisor. If you don't know who your advisor is, probably need to change your advisor.
Right.
Yeah.
Because I think what you find is most changes, you just see the premium increase.
Correct.
But you don't see any other detail.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. People always focus on the dollars. What's the black number in bold?
Exactly.
That's what it is. It's gone up. I'm like, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And look, it does depend on the insurance company and the type of policy. Generally, the policy terms are fixed and in place, but you do just need to be aware that they can be changed. Some companies can change. And again, there are other companies who have a policy wording guarantee, which gives some comfort. And from my point of view, if you're talking about risk management, knowing that what you're buying today is actually not just fit for purpose, but the terms are going to remain in place, I think that's quite relevant. And I think that's quite a good selling point for people.
Definitely. Okay. So why is it that my premiums increase?
Why do they increase?
Yes.
Look, in one of your emails to me, you said my vehicle is depreciating.
Exactly.
Why am I paying more?
Exactly.
Oh, that's a lovely way of putting it. Yes, our vehicle does depreciate. Our bodies wear out more as we get older, and that's the key point. So if you look at it, it is risk. So we're looking at risk, financial risk. So from the insurance company's point of view, when you're in your 20s, typically, you're bulletproof, you're not going to have anything happen to you, and that's part of the reason why your premiums are low, because the chance of you making a claim are very small. The older you get, the chances of you making a claim increase exponentially. The more claims you make, the more you're dipping into the pool of funds that's collected by the insurance company.
Right.
So that means that you become more expensive because they have to pay out on you the older you get. Okay. So that's why your risk from the insurance company is deemed to increase. So they're offsetting their risk by charging you a higher cost, higher premium.
Okay.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does actually.
Yeah. So
I don't like it, but it makes clear sense.
No, look, it's is it fair? I get this question asked a lot, certainly from people who are perhaps near retirement. They've had health insurance for 30 odd years, never made a claim, and all they're seeing is their premiums going sky high, and they can get very expensive. And I understand the fairness element of it. However, I also understand the risk equation from the
yes.
And without trying to sound harsh, if someone nears retirement and they've never made a claim, that actually says to me they've had a very good life from a health point of view. They haven't needed to make a claim. So, to be a little bit funny about it, is if they got to 60 and they had to make 10 claims, they've had a tough life. Physically, they've had some things go wrong. So, really, what would you prefer?
Yes.
Insurance is one of those grudge purchases that we don't want to make, we hope that we're never going to need to make a claim on, but if we do, it's there, it's our safety blanket, it's the safety net to catch us when we fall.
Yes.
The hope is that we never need it. It's like the car insurance.
Peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
Yeah.
We hope we're never going to need to claim on car insurance. We've got it. Most of us have it because it's a legal requirement, but actually we've got it because if the car gets totaled, we know we can have a replacement. If our bodies get totaled, we can get, in the current discussion at the moment about health insurance, we know that we can get fixed up quickly and all the rest of it.
Right. Okay. That's it, I think.
That's it. Fantastic. And you know the funny thing? Now we've stopped. That noise has stopped.
Oh no.